boy. Come on out. Hi, Wilma. Meet Hi-Fye. That's his new name. This boy'll sell like crazy. Why, the clothes will get the kids, the glasses will pull in the eggheads, and the gimmick is sensational. So, show 'em your gimmick. Hi, boy.
Screw you dot do pow, pam. Screw better body ready to the pow. Go, 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 go. Listen to 'em rock, listen to 'em roll, listen to the ricky-ticky rockin' bird. Do you hear 'em? Well, grab 'em, nail 'em. Listen to the rockin' bird, that cool. Listen to the rockin' bird, he's a bug. The rockin' bird is swinging all day long. Won't you listen to the rockin' bird, he's a cool. Listen to the nutty bird. The rockin' bird belts out a real gone song.